Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream glue for phone cases. You can easily create a custom, decorative finish for your phone case right at home. This DIY approach is not only fun, but also budget-friendly, letting you personalize your accessories without spending a lot. We will cover everything from gathering simple ingredients to applying your beautiful, homemade cream glue. To begin, gather your essential materials. You'll need about 1/4 cup of white PVA glue, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a few drops of acrylic paint for color. Also, prepare a small mixing bowl, a spatula, and a piping bag with your preferred decorative tip. Make sure your phone case is thoroughly cleaned and completely dry before you start. First, combine the PVA glue and cornstarch in your mixing bowl. Stir them together thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, thick paste with no lumps. Next, add a few drops of your chosen acrylic paint and mix until the color is consistent throughout. Carefully transfer this cream glue mixture into a piping bag. Now, you can begin piping your creative designs onto your phone case. After applying your designs, it's crucial to let the cream glue dry completely. This process can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, depending on the thickness of your application and humidity. Once fully dry, apply a clear sealant spray to protect your beautiful work and ensure it lasts. For other great deals, including those amazing leak-proof containers for meal prep, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.